What is this? Guys, look at what we got. We got this today, so my husband be fixing it. And this thing is not easy, it's not easy fixing it. My husband just finished fixing it. Look at it. It's a shoe rack. Oh, Angel, leave there. I'm going to be arranging the shoes here tomorrow. It's already late now, so I have to go and buy the keys. Yeah. And here I'm just going to put maybe some flowers.
Hi guys, you guys, welcome back again to this vlog. You see, it's early morning. Jenny has flights this early morning. She's going back. Oh my god, I'm already missing her already. Oh my goodness, I wish she would just stay here. Goodness, I'm already missing her already, you guys. She's leaving this early morning. It's 4:30 something now. It's almost 4:30 now, and the taxi that will pick her up will be here soon. She'll be going to the airport very soon. It's sad I can't follow her to the airport though, because the kids and my husband will be leaving the house early. Like, he'll be leaving the house soon for work, and I can't leave the kids, so I'll take them to the airport. It's too early. I'm missing her already, you guys. I know this one now that you came now. Before this woman, before me and this woman, I'll see again. Only God know when.
God is connected.
Only God know when, because before we finally meet for this one, so oh my goodness, you guys. The way we planned, hell. I just hope we can see again soon, because, like, seriously, I really enjoyed this moment she was here. I really enjoyed the creating together, everything,
That memories
memories, my goodness. You guys, I don't even want to cry.
Don't cry, don't cry.
You guys, she's leaving. Oh my goodness. She's leaving already. See, I don't know. He's here already. You guys, the driver is here already. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, now later. Okay, bro, thank you. Has gone back to our family. It's not a manual living. The way I'm missing her already, seriously. I'm missing her. This is early in the morning. Our flight is around something. So she left here by 4 something, because she's going to check in and back.
Guys, welcome back again to this vlog. You guys, I just received this order and I was like, I'm going to unbox it with you guys. This is a new pot. I got a new pot. Yeah, the one I've been using that pot I think since 2020. It's quite old now and I need something, you know, I need to change some pots. The pots I've really tried for me. I'm about to throw those ones away now because yeah, it have tried. Let's unbox what we got. I ordered this online. This is a let me just not talk too much and you know unbox it. Can you imagine what these people put for me? What is this? What is this? Lollipop. What did they ask? It's for you, Ko. Gracias por tu comprar. Thank you for your purchase. Okay, I will take. All right, so let's see what we have in here. Gracias por tu comprar. So they want me to lick lollipop. Lollipop. See, I'm just playing the card. What if I don't like this pot? What if I don't like it? You guys, let's hope I like the pot. Let's hope I like it. Oh, okay, this is the pot, and it comes in these three sets. These three sets that you're seeing here. Okay, let's unbox. I hope something have not broken. Hey, if not, I dey return am direct. I don't need nonsense. Oh my god, this one is small though, but yeah, looks beautiful. You guys, this is the smaller one. Wow, the pot is gray color. It comes in gray color. I love the colors though. I asked them if they had the pot in another color because I really like the pot, but they said it's only available in this color. Look at that, guys. My goodness. My goodness. Look at this. Look at my new babies. These are my new babies, guys. Bye. So this is the smallest one. This is the medium. This is the medium. And this is the biggest. They are small though. They are small. The pot I have, I think this biggest is the smallest in the pot I have before. This their biggest now is the smallest one in the pot I have before. These ones are small though, but I'm just loving it already. I love the color. Yeah, I actually fell in love with the color of the pot. That's why I even purchased it. And they said they said the bigger one was 9.9.5 liter, which is 28 centimeter. This is 28 centimeter. This medium is the medium is 24 centimeter, which is 5.5 liter, and the smallest is 20 centimeter, right? Yeah, which is 3 liter. This one, so you sure say e reach that liter when they tell me. Anyway, the pots are really, really nice. I love it. These are the colors. Okay, let's fix the handle. I think for now it's okay because normally if I want to cook if I want to cook big amounts of food, like I want to cook in bulk, really, really many food, normally this pot not go reach me, even this biggest one. Yes, na honey. shout you when they chop heaven and earth, you sef na you still dey shout oh, can you imagine, na you still dey say you when they no talk now, you when they chop heaven and earth. Hi God, guys. If I want to cook sometimes, this biggest one, this one is not even enough for me. E get some kind soup wey I wan cook, this biggest one no go reach for me, so I'm still going to be needing a bigger pot, because those my old pots that I have, although they are big pots, I don't like them anymore. They are not okay anymore. They are too old for me now. I want to, I want new pots. You guys, for now I'll be using this one for now. I really love them. I love the color. There's something about this color I really like. But yeah, it's okay though. I wanted to change the color, but they said this is the only color they have, and I said okay, I'll just go for it. And if I go and buy pots, how I normally check my pots is the weight and the, when you do it, some go just they make bang 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 bang. This one is really strong. It's a non-stick pot, yeah, so this one is really strong. I hope it doesn't burn my food. Pot is strong like this, you know that it's a good one. I hope this one is a good one. Yeah, it's gonna be good, because the quality I'm seeing here is top notch. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I just want to unbox this pot with you guys. Yeah, period. Thank you. Bye.